let's have a look at what I've collected. Oh my! Oh no! Ow! Concrete elbow, ow! Hey! Oh no! No! Ah, no! Ah! What is that? Hi. They're done over there. For now. Really? Ah, GoPros! Fuck! Oh well, I got a video to edit anyway. But we'll chuck the battery back on charge, give it a couple of hours. I got some other things to do anyway, like food and food. Now the gardening's done, we can get into wash sheet work. I found a wash sheet in a gumboot. Don't ask me why it was in a gumboot. Where the gumboot was, it was just there, and it mentioned front end corrosion. So we're going to pull the whole front end down and fix it. Anyway, we have plenty of worn out wire wheels. Those will end up in your tyres if you're not careful, which is why we want to try and use, well, I like to use these more for rust removal, paint removal, anything removal, skin removal too. They work well. These sorts of things are the best. These stripping discs. This is an old super cheap one. I've got plenty of those, of course. Little one for the air compressor, die grinder, right angle die grinder thing. Also do have some, what do you call them, carbide tips for this too, so that's handy. Although I don't know where the spanner went for it, so.
that boy ain't right.
Right, guys, this brings us to the point where we need to start spraying things in zinc primer and then, of course, with base coat. I'm going to quickly do that, but while I'm doing that, what I need you guys to do is tell me what the hell should I do with this car once I got it back on the road. You know, once I got it road legal, we can actually start playing with it. So, what should we do? Should we go full-on, like, rally car, or should we go full-on, like, touring car, or somewhere in between? Or should we make some sort of baby stagier R34 style, R35 style thing? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. I would really like to know what madness could be put on this car. And also, wrap. Should we wrap it instead of trying to repaint it? Because I don't do white, and it's like 500 different colors. So let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, next episode is probably going to be more of the same, so just spoiled that one for you. See you in the next one.